friends, I Rahul Agarwal, Assistant Professor in Biyani Group of Colleges, welcome all of you on behalf of Group KPO. Friends, today in this video lecture, we will discuss what is probability, how we can solve simple problems of probability. Okay, probability is very simple topic. Probability basic meaning chance. What is the chance of happening of an event? Okay, the basic formula is probability is PA is equal to M by N. The only basic formula in probability is PA is equal to M by N. PA means probability of happening of any event A. Event A happening chances is known as probability of event A. M is favorable number of cases to occur event A. In how many cases we will get event A, and N is total number of cases in this experiment. So very simple process. N total number of cases and A is favorable number of cases which is required in the question. Okay. For this we will use some examples to explain this. Number one problem is coin problem. We know that when we flip a coin, we will get either head or tail. So in this experiment of flipping a coin, we have two cases. Number one is head, number one is tail. So our total number of cases is 2. That is N is 2. And in question, what is asking? A coin is flipped. Find probability of getting head. When we flip a coin, what is the chances of getting head? In head, we will get in only one situation, and total number of cases is 2. So our result is 1 by 2. It is probability. Getting this point? Now, another example, an MCQ type question is attempt. MCQ type question means we have 4 options A, B, C or D. We don't know exact answer of the question. We simply guess and mark the question. What is the chances that it is true? We have 4 options A, B, C or suppose I mark B. What is chance it is true? Very simple. And total number of cases we have 4 A, B, C and D. And it is true, only one chance. So answer is 1 by 4. By this process we can find probability. We are using some more examples to explain this. Our next example of probability is dice. We all aware about dice. We know that in dice we have 6 outcomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So when we roll a dice, we will get anyone, either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. So in this experiment we have total number of cases is 6. So when we roll a dice, total number of cases is 6. So simply for all questions, total number of questions be 6. Okay. Formula is M by N. N is 6. Now M is favorable number of cases to asking value. In question 1, what we need? Even number. In dice, even numbers are 2, 4 and 6. We have 3 cases for this. So result is 3 by 6. For odd number, we know that 1, 3, 5 are odd numbers in 4 dice. So 3 cases for odd number. 1, 3 and 5. Another one is more than 2. More than 2 is 3, 4, 5 and 6. 4 cases. So result is 4 by 6. Less than or equal to 3. Means 3 or less than 3. 3, 2 or 1. 3 cases. 3 by 6. Exactly 6. Only one case. So answer is 1 by 6. Another one is prime number. In dice, prime number are 2, 3 and 5. So we have 3 prime numbers. So result is 3 by 6. If we need, we can simplify it. 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 1 by 2, 1 by 6 and 1 by 2. So probability is very simple process. Simply you need total number of cases in the experiment and favorable number of cases to the asking thing. By this we can get probability to any event. Okay. Thank you friends for watching this video. Please like, subscribe our YouTube channel gurukp.com. Thank you.